Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something new. Have you ever dreamed of hitting the open road, exploring the world at your own pace, but without the hassle of a bulky RV? Meet the camper tricycle, a compact, efficient, and adventurous way to travel. Whether you're a solo traveler, a digital nomad, or someone who loves off-the-grid experiences, this unique ride is changing the way people see the great outdoors. Unlike traditional RVs or even camper vans, a camper tricycle is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and doesn't require expensive fuel. It's powered by either human effort, an electric motor, or a combination of both. This means you can travel sustainably while embracing a minimalist lifestyle on the road. One of the biggest advantages of a camper tricycle is its accessibility. No special licenses, no hefty insurance costs, and no need to worry about parking in tight spots. You can ride through city streets, scenic trails, or countryside roads without the usual restrictions of larger vehicles. And don't let its size fool you, these tricycles are built for adventure. Many models come with built-in solar panels to power your gadgets, insulated sleeping areas to keep you comfortable in different weather conditions, and even compact cooking setups. It's all about smart design and efficiency, making it perfect for those who want freedom without sacrificing convenience. For city dwellers looking for a weekend escape, a camper tricycle is a game-changer. No need for hotel bookings or rental cars, just pack your essentials, hop on, and go wherever the road takes you. And if you're an eco-conscious traveler, you'll love the fact that many of these tricycles use renewable energy sources, reducing your carbon footprint while giving you the ultimate adventure. I used to travel with a traditional camper van, but downsizing to a camper trike has completely changed the way I explore. It's affordable, fun, and I can go places I never could before. Plus, the simplicity of it makes the journey even more rewarding. When the day's adventure is over, setting up camp is as easy as pulling over. The built-in sleeping area provides a comfortable rest, and some models even have space for a small foldable table, making it ideal for work or relaxation. It's all about making the most of a small space without compromising on comfort. So, if you're looking for a new way to travel, one that's sustainable, affordable, and packed with adventure, maybe it's time to consider a camper tricycle. The road is calling, and your next journey starts with just a few pedals. Thanks for watching. If you love unique travel solutions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. See you on the road.